There are so many difficult stories of how COVID has impacted families, but this one is not that. It's a sweet couple of 61 years. They were separated for several weeks due to COVID-19.
Well, that couple was brought back together today. Everyone was very happy about it. ABC 21's Matthew Bullock was there to capture the action.
Carolyn and Clyde Shredway have been together for 61 years, but the past few months have been tough for the two lovebirds.
It started back in November with Miss Carolyn. She unfortunately suffered from a hip fracture and had to have surgery. She ended up being in quarantine for a while at a local rehab doing some physical therapy.
The two reunited around Christmas time, but just before their 61st anniversary, Clyde tested positive for COVID-19.
So Clyde, he got COVID, unfortunately in January, ended up in the hospital, went to a rehab facility to do some physical therapy, went to another rehab after that to do some physical therapy.
While in rehab, Carolyn moved in with her son and daughter-in-law as Clyde was battling for his life.
There were some times when he wasn't able to speak to us, and that was even more difficult.
Clyde survived COVID-19. After a couple of weeks of physical therapy and quarantine, he was finally reunited with his best friend.
The moment here was amazing. It was very humbling to see the emotion, lots of emotion for both of them and all of us here at our team here at Evergreen.
With the two reunited, I had to ask them their secret for a successful marriage.
Had her ups and downs, but there was never any time in her married life that I even considered anything else.
Now those two are together once again, and perfect timing just before Valentine's Day. Matthew Bullock, ABC 21.